What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition. This vehicle is powered by a 6.4 liter Hemi V8 with 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And this 392 Final Edition is the final send-off of this model, so it's like a special edition. This Final Edition will give you like this cool gold stitching in the interior. As you can see, you also have black Nappa leather, which is really comfortable actually. And you also have these cool looking shift paddles in this one. And you also get like a winch on the front, and you get like some cool little other accessories, Mopar accessories on this vehicle as well. And you also get giant tires, Goodrich 36-inch tires or something like that. You also have the Uconnect screen, backup camera, pretty standard Wrangler interior. The steering wheel definitely looks a lot sportier though. Like you can see, like it, you know, like the gripping points are more pronounced. It's a nice leather. It definitely looks sportier, the steering wheel. But let's walk around it and see what it looks like now. Sounds pretty awesome. This one's finished in firecracker red. Yeah, so this is what I mentioned, the big tires on this thing. And you get like that gold color on the exterior with the 392 and everything to really signify that. And there's the worn winch I mentioned, which you get on this. Definitely looks like it stands out, that's for sure. 392 Final Edition on the side. You get the trail rated badge, of course. Here's the rear seats. Looks pretty comfortable. You also have AC vents back there. And the window buttons are over there, similar to the front. Tire on the back, backup camera over there. You also have like your recovery hooks over there. You have an Alpine sound system in here too. That's a heavy door. Like, substantial. Well, let's get out on the road and see how it drives. I'm excited to see how it drives. I've never driven one of these before, so we'll see how it goes. Driving experience. Let's see if there's some modes I can try out. We have an off-road page. Off-road mode over there, front and rear, differential locks. Also, you have this over here. I'm honestly not like the biggest Jeep guy, but I think these 392s are really cool. Not too familiar with them. I'm honestly not too familiar with the Mopar products in general. But as I drive them more, obviously I'm gonna get more acquainted with them. That's why I like driving as many cars as I can. This thing sounds really good. And the ride height is crazy. It's so high up because of the giant tires. But you know, if you get a Wrangler, you'd want to have one with the big tires, right? Because like, what's the point of getting a Wrangler with small tires? Like, you want it to be one that's above the road, looks a lot better, and also you can go off-roading in these with the bigger tires. And this one can definitely be used for that. Wow. This thing is fast, and it just sounds absolutely insane. That's crazy. That's so fun. I do like the paddle shifters. They look really cool. You know, I really wish Jeep still made the Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. I've never driven one of those, and I would love to. But yeah, I really wish them, because the current Grand Cherokee looks pretty good. I wish they made a Trackhawk. That'd be so awesome. You also have heated steering wheel, heated seats, which is nice. No ventilated seats. I don't think I've seen ventilated seats in a Wrangler before anyway. But yeah, this is the highest quality seats I've seen in a Wrangler, the Nappa leather, because most of them come with like the synthetic leather or like the cloth or whatever. That sounds absolutely bonkers. And it is fast too. This is really, really cool. That V8 sounds so crazy. At the high speeds, it does feel a little bit unwieldy, which makes sense for it being a Wrangler. This is not something you want to go around corners in with, because obviously it's not meant to be like a great handling vehicle. It's a Wrangler, of course, but for brute acceleration, this is really fun. Man, I bet this would be so fun off-road. This is really, really cool. That V8 is crazy. But the ride is very comfortable. Obviously you have wind noise and everything too because of the tires and because it's a Wrangler. That's very normal. But ride comfort's nice. The seats are very comfortable too. Again, very nice Napa leather seats. It makes sense that this car comes with that considering its price point and that it's like a send-off of the 392. It's a final edition of the Wrangler 392. It would be nice if it had like a wireless charging tray or something, because there really is like no specific place to put your phone. You just have to put it in the cup holder or over there or something like that, and maybe one of those phone stands. It's crazy with the ride height on this thing. You feel like you're on par with this truck in terms of like where you're riding, which is nice. It's really cool. I feel like a black one would look awesome with the gold accents and everything. A black Wrangler like this one with the big wheels, it looks so cool. Never get tired of putting my foot down and hearing that Hemi V8. That is awesome. Wow, that's so fun. And you can also scroll through your center console, center screen, not console, using these buttons on the wheel. Looks like average MPG is 8.4 on this one, which makes sense. I mean, you don't buy this for fuel economy, that's for sure. You're not going to get good fuel economy. First of all in a Wrangler, second of all in one with 6.4 liter V8. Yeah, it is really fun to drive, that's for sure. It's a really unique driving experience. I haven't driven something like this in a while, and I drive a lot of cars. But overall, really fun Wrangler. We've returned to Grubbs Family Dealership, so let's conclude today's video. This is a really unique driving experience. Sounds absolutely amazing, and it's fast. And if you want a Wrangler that makes a statement, there's really nothing else quite like this. The 392 Final Edition. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new or certified pre-owned Wranglers.